Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how you can install Python 3 in your Ubuntu 22.04. So the first command you have to write in your terminal is sudo apt update. Okay, after writing this, click enter. You can see your all systems now updated. After that, your second command you have to write is sudo apt install Python 3. Enter. Then you can see it will now install your Python 3 in your Ubuntu. Now your third command you have to write is, you can see just Python 3 space / version to check your Python version. Okay, it will show you the real version of Python in your Ubuntu. Okay, now to run an example, first of all, also another thing is you have to write is sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Okay, this is a package for Python 3. Okay, so you must have to install this. After clicking Y, you can see now your Python is now installing in your Ubuntu. This is basically a package for Python. Okay, now you can see it's under processing. You have to wait until it complete. You can see it's mostly done here. That's all. Okay, so now already Python 3 is installed in your Ubuntu. Now just let us run an example. So let's first you can check your package version pip space / version. You can check your package version. Okay, similarly now for the example running, just make a new folder by typing get it. Okay, and hello.py. After clicking this, your Python folder is now open. You can write a simple code here. You can say hello Python is running. This is a simple code I just execute, and after you have to save, close that. And now how you can run this code in Python, you just have to write Python 3 space hello.py, the name of that file which you saved. You can see in the result it shows hello Python is working, which I write in my coding. Okay, so that's all for today. I showed you how you can install your Python 3 in your Ubuntu 22.04 along with their package Python 3 pip. Okay, we also done a simple example.